Okay, we should be back. Sorry about that. So the OBS crash after 2.5 hours still happens. Despite me writing videos to my NAS directly, and also, what else did I change? No, that's the main change I did. So I guess it's not a file system issue. It's probably just an OBS issue for some reason. Sorry about that, but thanks Remetsu for letting me know. I didn't notice. I somehow in the back of my head I noticed that the music stopped playing because that I get that through OBS too. But I didn't connect the dots. I did, however, yeah, I'm pretty happy that things are at least working if I put the JavaScript into this file. Question is, how do I actually move it into my JavaScript file where I can edit it correctly? So we need to fix this. So that had to be this speed. And here, these are the commas that we need. So that's that, but that doesn't work, right? If we go back and restart Bridgetown. And we go to the website, then we'll get the reference error right away. Okay. Oh, there's still a reference to Obsitive in Stream Elements that I missed to update. Give me a second. Actually, I didn't even update my bookmarks folder here. Stream Elements. Okay, that's done. Oh yes, I still have a huge list of stuff. Every time I go into on a website or something where I want to update something, something drops in my mind where I think, oh, I also need to update whatever analytics and all these things where stuff is hidden. I also haven't replaced the graphical assets for the stream, so there's stuff that drops in from time to time still is referencing Obsitive. That'll take me a few more days to get everything under control, but the most important things like domain names and stuff have been updated. So I'm pretty happy about that, and you might already have seen that I also updated the assets on the website, so there's now the Monospace Mentor header here and stuff, and yeah, it's mentioned here. So things are going in the right direction. Okay, so question is, how is stuff integrated here? So if I do stuff in these files here, that's mostly imported stuff. Import images. So let's see, here. Okay, script type module, import contact form from stuff. Contact form. Okay. Let me wrap my head around this. So we did this, and here they do front-end JavaScript pages contact form.js. Oh, that means that's now bundled. And that way it gets integrated. By also adding format images in. Gain the ability to import code from new entry points directly inside of type module scripts. Let's say contact form.js exports the function contact form to set up a form dynamically. Instead of using a script source tag in the HTML head, you could do this script type module where I import that. So that gets imported. Does it though? Maybe that's something specific to Alpine. Ay, ay, ay. How do I not code everything in my HTML? Because that really reminds me of the early days of PHP. So, let's see. There are two different techniques depending on if you are importing Alpine into a bundle or including it directly via script tag. Let's go back to the bundle here. Via an NPN bundle, we import Alpine, assign that to window Alpine and start it. Now that we know where to use the extension APIs, let's look more closely at how to use each one. Custom directive allows you to register your own custom directive using the Alpine Directive API. So there's the Alpine Directive method, name of the directive. The name foo, for example, would be consumed as xfoo. So I would code that. But that's if I want to extend Alpine syntax, right? So they actually define an X uppercase directive. That's not exactly what I want. That's not at all what I want, actually. Okay, so maybe that's something we need to search. Alpine JS. Define in separate file. How do I access X data from a function in an external file? I think I'm trying the other way around, but let's see. Just starting out, understand the basics. I have trouble applying them and moving functions outside of inline script tag. No, that's exactly what I want to do, actually. So here they have this on-click post. If post was in main.ts, how do I make sure that this isn't undefined? They want to access the data ins. Okay. You need to add the method to the Alpine.js instance to access the same scope. Xdata equals utils. Then in your external script file, document. Oh, there's alpine.data. And that's connected to Alpine init. Oh, okay. Let's see. Here we have xdata equals utils, where they have a click post and an xshow is loading. And then they have script document event listener alpine init alpine data utils, and then they define the function. So if can't I simply move that alpine data scroll container and then I assign that as a, so that needs to be a string. Nope. Like this. And then I assign this, and I don't even need to return this, right? That goes right in there. That way I have defined scroll container. I might have to define it before starting, but we'll find out quickly. So let's see. Bada boom. Still says uncount reference error, but that might be because we need to bundle everything again. So let's go back here and back here, and there seems to be a syntax error. Yep. Let's see. Expected semicolon, but found after init. Okay. Wait. There is this. That's the same way. You have to put parentheses around that, because they... No, they don't. Yes, they do. Maybe that's the case. So, like this. Nope, still error. But now, expected parentheses by found console info. Uh-huh. Do we need a... Oh, wait. We need one more parentheses. Mm-hmm. Let's reload. Nope, still says uncaught reference error. Scroll container. Let's try the other way around then. Where I do the Alpine data. Actually. Yeah, we at least have to assign window Alpine, the Alpine object, after we've modified it. Yeah, pretty clear that this didn't work. Do I get this right away? It says front-end bundling started, so yeah, let's give this a try. No error anymore. Press space, and we're scrolling. Step by step, we're getting there. But I've been at this for 3 hours now, and I didn't even get to my other points on the agenda. So, yeah, definitely learned something new today. Getting closer to my aspirational full stack live. Learning JavaScript and stuff, and I will be able to extend that and migrate all the other functions over and wire up the keyboard commands. So I guess 1 more hour and I'll be done. Famous last words. And I'll do that either tomorrow or on my live stream on Thursday at 2 p.m. Irish time, which is identical to UTC now again. And I hope to see you then. Other than that, this was a little bit tedious, but also fun. I'm always happy when I learn something new, and I guess JavaScript in general and Alpine.js as a modern JavaScript framework is something that's worth learning. Especially for me, I'll never build huge websites in React or using React or something like that, but Alpine will be really, really useful. So, that's it for today. I hope you had fun too. Thanks for watching, thanks for chatting, and I hope to see you on Thursday. Wait! Maybe even tonight at the Monospace Mentor Hangout on our Discord server. Let's put that on screen here. Where's my mouse even? Oh, yeah, here. Okay, let's invite everyone to our Monospace Mentor Hangout. I need to retrain myself even. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Irish time, 8 p.m. UTC, we have a hangout on the Discord server where we simply chat whatever we want. And I already have a beer in my fridge, so we can make ourselves comfortable. So come along, bring a beverage, and let's simply chat about DevOps, coding, IT, or Christian iconography, which we already had as a topic in one of our hangouts. It's up to you. Bring what you have, and let's make this fun. I hope to see you either tonight in our Discord hangout or on Thursday on the live stream. Until then, take care.